If you need to cancel a pending transfer with the United Bank of Egypt in Switzerland, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your online banking account by visiting the United Bank of Egypt's website. Enter your username and password to log in securely. Step 2. Navigate to Transfers. Once logged in, locate the Transfers section in the main menu. This area contains all your recent and pending transactions. Step 3. Find the pending transfer. In the Transfers section, look for the specific pending transfer you wish to cancel. Click on it to view the details. Step 4. Select Cancel option. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Esrog to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to verify the cancellation. Confirm your choice to finalize the cancellation of the pending transfer. By following these steps, you can successfully cancel a pending transfer with the United Bank of Egypt in Switzerland. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.